Have you ever felt the universe speaking to you? कभी आपको ऐसा महसूस हुआ है कि ब्रह्मांड आपसे कुछ कहना चाह रहा है? On March 29th, 2025, a rare cosmic event, a solar eclipse, Surya Grahan, is set to occur, and it might just be the universe's way of handing you a powerful opportunity. This isn't just another date on the calendar. Think about it. The sun, moon, and earth will align perfectly. Scientifically, it means the moon will come between the earth and sun, blocking sunlight for a short while. But beyond the science, imagine the symbolism. Day turning into twilight for a few minutes. Birds going silent. Temperature dropping. मानो प्रकृति खुद ध्यान लगा रही हो. It's as if nature pauses to recalibrate energy. Why is this eclipse so special? इस दिन की ज्योतिषीय अहमियत क्या है? In simple terms, a solar eclipse coincides with a new moon, a time of new beginnings, एक नई शुरुआत का वक्त. मतलब ब्रह्मांड खुद हमें हिम्मत और नया आरंभ करने का संकेत दे रहा है. Even if you don't follow astrology, consider this. An eclipse has been seen across cultures as a turning point. Ancient civilizations in India and around the world would stop and take note of eclipses. Some meditated, some chanted mantras, acknowledging that something profound was happening in the sky. Many believe that an eclipse's alignment can tug at our emotions and energy tides within us. You might feel a subtle shift in mood or a tingling anticipation, and that's completely natural. हमारे पूर्वजों को भी यह अनुभव होता था, which is why they treated eclipses as sacred times for introspection. This March 29 eclipse carries an energy of transformation and manifestation. Imagine the sun and the moon coming into perfect line. It's like your inner world and outer world aligning. जब सूरज और चांद एक सीध में आते हैं तो कहा जाता है कि हमारी अंदरूनी शक्ति और बाहरी ऊर्जा भी अलाइनमेंट में आ सकती है. In plain words, this is a perfect time to set your intentions and plant the seeds of what you want in life. It's a bit like a cosmic new year, a chance to start fresh. Any old baggage you have been carrying, old patterns or fears, you may feel them coming up now, so you can finally release them. And as the eclipse passes, it's like the dawn of a new self, a rebirth. Ask yourself, what is that one dream or change you deeply desire? इस ब्रह्मांडीय पल पर आप क्या नया आरंभ करना चाहते हैं? Because the manifestation potential today is supercharged. Many spiritual teachers say that during an eclipse, the veil between the physical world and the energy world becomes thinner. It is easier to connect with the universe's frequency. Think of it like the universe's Wi-Fi signal is extra strong on this day. जो आप दिल से चाहेंगे वो इंटेंशन सीधा ब्रॉडकास्ट हो सकता है. You might be thinking, how do I tap into this? What should I do on March 29th, 2025? Don't worry. हम इसके लिए एक सरल तरीका अपनाएंगे. Rather than just talking about this energy, we are going to experience it. In a moment, we'll begin a guided meditation specifically designed for this solar eclipse to help you harness its energy for your personal manifestation. But before we start, make sure you are in a quiet, comfortable space. Possible, watch this during the eclipse or on the day, but even if you do it afterwards, you can still connect with the intention you set on this powerful day. Ready? चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं. Let's dive into the meditation and manifest your dreams together. Take a deep breath and let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position. अगर आप कुर्सी पर बैठे हैं तो पीठ सीधी रखें. If on the floor, you can sit cross-legged. Gently close your eyes. Take a moment to settle. Feel the weight of your body supported by the chair or the floor. Roll your shoulders back. Unclench your jaw and let your hands rest easily on the knees or in your lap, palms facing up to receive energy. Let's begin with deep breathing to relax the mind and body. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your belly expand. Hold for a second. And now exhale slowly through your mouth. मुंह से सांस बाहर निकालें. Feeling any tension leaving your body. Inhale deeply once again, drawing in calm energy. सुकून को अंदर लें. 1, 2, 3. Exhale slowly, releasing any stress or worry. तनाव को छोड़ दें. 3, 2, 1. Repeat this at your own pace, gently. प्रत्येक श्वास के साथ feel your mind becoming quieter and your body more relaxed. If thoughts come, that's okay. Just let them drift by, like clouds passing the sun. अभी बस अपने सांसों पर ध्यान केंद्रित करें. You are present. You are centered. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head and slowly scan down your body for any tension. अपने सिर से लेकर पैरों तक ध्यान ले जाएं. Relax your forehead, your eyes, unclench your teeth, release any tightness in your neck, allow your shoulders to drop, feel your chest open as you continue to breathe. Relax your stomach, your legs, all the way to your feet. Your whole body is now relaxed and grounded, just like the earth during the eclipse's quiet shadow. Now that you have calmed down, let's set a clear intention for what you want to manifest. Gently bring to mind one wish, one goal or desire that is closest to your heart. कोई एक सपना या इच्छा चुने जो आपके दिल के करीब है. Something you deeply wish to come true. It could be a new opportunity, success in a project, healing in a relationship, or personal growth. Anything that you truly desire. See it in your mind's eye as if it is happening right now. Visualize it in as much detail as you can. See yourself living that reality. Imagine the surroundings or the people involved. Feel the happiness, the excitement or peace in that moment. अपने दिल में वो खुशी महसूस कीजिए जो आपकी मनोकामना पूरी होने पर होगी। Imagine a bright light like the sun's warm glow pouring over you, illuminating this vision. This is the light of the eclipse working in your favor, the cosmic energy aligning with your intention. Now, visualize the eclipse itself in your mind. See the sun shining brightly, representing your goal's full power. Slowly the moon moves in front of the sun. This is the moment we are in now, the pause, the reset. As the moon covers the sun, imagine it absorbing all your doubts, fears, and anything that's holding you back. जो भी रुकावटें हैं वो सारी अब चंद्रमा के साथ ढक गई हैं. In this dark stillness, you are calm and trusting. You know that an old chapter is closing. Take a deep breath in and out. Now see the moon start to move away. The sun's light gradually re-emerging, brighter and stronger. यह फिर से सुबह हो रही है. A new dawn on a new reality. As the light returns, imagine your intention is now supercharged with energy. The universe has heard you. Visualize your desire manifesting, coming true under this growing light. Feel the joy and gratitude as if it has already happened. Believe in that vision, यानी सुकून महसूस करें कि जो आप चाहते हैं वो अब वास्तविकता बन गया है. To further deepen this connection, we will gently chant a mantra. Mantras carry vibrational energy that can align you with the universe. Chant with me, Om. Take a deep breath in and on the exhale, chant Om. Let the sound resonate. Feel it vibrate in your chest and throat. Again, breathe in deeply and as you exhale, Imagine this sound carrying your intentions into the cosmos. One more time. Inhale. Merging your voice with the universal vibration. Feel the silence after the mantra. Notice the stillness, the energy humming around you. This is the energy of alignment, the vibration of your intention now released to the universe. Now, quietly in your mind or softly out aloud, repeat these affirmations after me. They will help reinforce positive belief in your manifestation. I am aligned with the powerful energy of the universe. मैं ब्रह्मांड की शक्तियों के साथ पूर्णतः जुड़ा हुआ हूँ. I release what no longer serves me and I welcome new beginnings. मैं अपने पुराने सीमाओं को छोड़कर नई शुरुआत का स्वागत करता हूँ. My intentions are powerful and they are manifesting at the perfect time. मेरी इच्छाओं में शक्ति है और वे सही समय पर पूर्ण हो रही हैं. I am courageous and confident. I deserve the success and happiness I seek. मैं साहसी हूँ, आत्मविश्वासी हूँ और मैं उस सफलता और खुशी के लायक हूँ जो मैं चाहता हूँ। Each affirmation is the seed of light planted into your subconscious. Just as the sun's light returns after the eclipse, these positive beliefs will shine through any darkness. Now gently return your focus to your breath. Take a nice deep breath in and out. You have tapped into the eclipse energy. This is the shift. Take this moment to express gratitude. In your heart, say thank you to yourself for taking this time and thank the universe for hearing your intention. You have aligned your own energy with the cosmic energy of this special days. When you are ready, wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Gently open your eyes. Welcome back. You have not only witnessed a cosmic event, you have become part of it in a very personal way. Take a moment to truly absorb how far you've come in these few minutes. आज आपने सिर्फ एक्लिप्स की इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं बल्कि उसकी एनर्जी को एक्सपीरियंस भी किया है। थैंक यू। नमस्ते।